trying to figure out which cave it was we went to get the scuba gear, because that's right where the machete is. Just on the side of the
dude,
beach.
that's like all the way around the map.
Is it really?
It's pretty far around the map. I never even seen this part of the map we're at right now.
It's easy to find because it's the only cave like right by the shore.
I never seen this part of the map. Oh, dude, we're next to there's a drone tent over here. We can't grab any of the drones. There's something kind of cool over there.
I think that might be the one that has the silencer for the pistol.
No, I don't got a silencer. We got a bunch of bow and not crossbow. Carbon fiber arrows. It's full of the carbon fiber arrows are like unlimited. They don't break.
Heard that. We're about to pass the base. We are. Cover. There's not even there. What the fuck, Kevin?
Oh shit, it's the base! Look at that. Where's the boat at though? Wait. My headset sounds like it's about to die.
Can you charge it while you're talking with it?
Yeah. Most headsets are like, I love headsets that says I can do that. I think I only had two of them that couldn't.
So it should be over here somewhere. What the hell is this? Oh, dude, guys, look, there's some sort of little port we didn't even see over here. Look, there's helipads and shit.
Wait, what? No, let me get closer to you guys. Wait, what?
Yeah.
Good land there. It probably has something good. It might have the flare gun.
Hold up, before we go any further, we'll wait till you get over here. Then me and Tyler are gonna land. And then we'll use one of the golf carts to get around, because there's a camp somewhere around here that has the machete.
I don't see any helipads. We're right next to a camp.
You'll see it when you land.
Oh shit, I see it right now. There's a golf cart right next to you.
I know, there's like 3 or 4 golf carts.
I'm gonna pull out the shotgun. I'm gonna go to this one, see if there's anything over here. Dead body. Oh, they're like...
That would be pretty badass.
Whoa. They're like... These ones are killed differently.
Oh, dude, guys, we should build a base over here.
Nah, man, I like our other base. We already got one good bitch. Dude.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
What in the hell? Dude,
well, you could freaking bridge the 2 platforms together. Look, there's another one over there.
Dude,
you could
these
build
guys
in the
got
middle.
like knives in their backs. Dude, what in the hell? They have like knives in their backs with pictures across, and then they have like flowers around their heads.
He's over here. Is there anything useful over on this one?
Yeah, there's a note.
Where?
It's like dead middle. Oh my god, did they run his ass over? No.
I don't know.
Started kitchen knifing them? Dude, that one's... I never seen anything like that. No escape.
Oh, right here. Right here.
Oh, dude, is it... We still gotta find the dude. Chicken pet it. Chicken pet it. Chicken pet it.
What?
We still gotta find the dude from the beginning of the game.
I know, he's in... I know, you see him at the very end, I think.
You can kill him, can't you?
I don't know.
Got a knife.
I think he becomes I think he's like the final boss or something if you do the great ending. Guys, get on.
Wait, there's stuff inside the back of the golf cart. Ow.
Sorry.
There's stuff in the back of the golf carts.
Light bulbs.
Oh no, I can't hold any more lit bulbs. Oh no, it'd be cool to fight him. Get a silenced pistol. I wonder if he's the one who killed all the people.
Hold up! Hey, where
Yeah,
you
like, you're not even on it. What are you doing? Wait.
Ass wipes.
I don't know.
Listen to
Stranger Thing music.
I think the music's kind of cool, actually. It's like all old
Stranger
school.
Things. Like Stranger Things.
Oh, what? There's a game I need to play. It's called Generation Zero. It has like this kind of music in it.
Guys, we're about to go back to two camps up here. There's three camps up here.
There's dead bodies over there.
Jacob Pettis
Back with Spears, girl.
Stranger Things.
They have sticks inside of them. Yeah, right there, right there.
Jacob Pettis song.
Oh, the turtles.
Album.
Oh, just turtle shells. Wait, go back, go back. Wait, those are good. Get the turtle shell. Oh, a spear, turtle shell. Turtle shell. Is there any meat? No. I got the turtle shells. There we go. Yeah.
See if this water's shallow enough now. I'm not gonna chance it.
Oh no, I'll say chance it. Now we have to fight a horde of them though.
With all the people?
Oh yeah, there's gonna be a lot of them. It's shallow. Because they're able to cross it. They're able to cross this.
Well, did I run them? There's a bunch of predators.
Now man, they're gonna throw a spear at us.
Outrunning them, yeah.
Oh, we just went
We
past
are
two.
outrunning them, oh yeah. We got the horsepower, yeah.
Man, this thing's so cool, but at the same time, we
What, is the
stuck.
music always on?
You can change the radio. I just don't know how to.
Oh, wait. Listen, watch this, guys. If you hit them, they just like a single tap kill, I think.
It is? Yeah, run them over. Yeah! His arms were flying.
Oh, yeah.
Keep going, Jacob. We'll protect the fort. Oh. The bitch is still alive.
I killed the big fat. They had a Titan. I just shot a Titan.
Ammo right here.
Oh,
That was funny.
let's go.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there is. Hell yeah, 9 mil. There's macaroons too, a whole bunch of them, babies.
Oh, whoa! What? I've never seen a camp like this. This one that's kind of like evolved.
I know, it's like developed a little bit.
They have like a watchtower. That's kind of cool. We just murdered them like it was nothing, though.
They're evolving, Nathan. The AI is getting smarter.
No, destroy the camp. Destroy the camp. Destroy the camp.
Is there orcas? Can you find orcas in the water?
Yeah,
They're
yeah.
sharks.
No, there's there's something that's bad. They're mean. I don't remember what it's
Oh
called.
yeah, there is an orca. Oh, is there live ones?
There's ones that sit on the beach and they'll kill you.
Oh, there is ones?
Yeah, if you get too close to them, they'll eat you.
They just sit on the beach?
Yep.
Alright, you ready guys? Get back on the
Alright, let me see if I can
car.
destroy this. Let me see if I can destroy this. So they can never come back. No, I can't. Never mind. Usually if you destroy the shit, they can't come back. Oh, these workers are dead. These ones can't kill us. Where you guys even at? Oh my god, they took their eyeballs out. Yay. Oh, I got some eyeball.
Oh, one got the eyeball?
Yeah, the one in the water. No, he doesn't. Never mind. None of them have eyeballs.
They're all taken out.
Yeah, they took out their eyeballs. That's disgusting.
You're gonna pay Stranger Thing golf cart.
Wait, where's the guy at? Where's the guy at that had the creepy armor? Boys, let's team up on this guy. Kill him. It's creepy armor.
Is it alive?
Yeah. Actually, you can look at him, see if you want.
So this is where they put you on the post?
Yeah.
Look, you're showing watching, they're showing watching.
Where?
Right here. Oh, I'm gonna shoot him. I got my rifle.
Get ahead.
Took it like a champ.
Oh,
He
God.
took one for the team.
What? Look at him. What? This one's eyeball's missing. Look at it. He has like pink eye or a disease. Jacob Pettit, run him over.
Eyeballs.
Run him over, Jacob Pettit. Run him over. We gotta kill this guy.
Here, I'll shoot him.
Now he'll hop off. Wait. I got my gun aimed at him.
Oh, guys.
Get out your shotgun. Get out your shotgun. Get out your shotgun to shoot him dead. I'll shoot him after you fire. Oh, well, I'm out of ammo. What? Oh, that's bullshit.
He's dead.
I never seen that before. Alright, ready guys?
Ready?
1, 2, 1.
Go.
Alright, let's do this.
It's kind of cool too, because his fingers inside him were still moving around.
Although living on the beach might seem like a dream, we have struggles like
Alright,
everyone
so we're on
else.
the beach.
Most of
It
my
looks
friends.
like, it looks like
This
a
is my life,
cat.
and this is Dana Point,
We gotta go
California.
to the other side.
Just murdered him for nothing.
Yeah, we'll just launch off this cliff up here.
Just murdered everyone for no reason.
Pretty much, yeah. I used to use the machete because I don't want to waste it. There's some crazy.
Oh! Let's go! We went underwater, we still made it. Let's go.
I wonder if you can drive this in water like submersible.
Nah, I think we hop out after like if it stops. It's like we go too deep in the water and start shocking us all to death.
That'd be pretty lit though.
What the hell just happened?
Oh, we stopped. We're gonna jump off this cliff with the paraglider.
I thought you just like fell off the golf course. Oh, I got close.
I gotta quit mine. Oh, shit. Look at that. I'd about to hit Tyler Pettit.
Shit, I think it's about to hit you.
Yeah, I probably hit you too on accident. I cut my leg up yesterday at Kings Island. Whoa, wait, there's a tent over there, wait. Hey guys, over here is a tent. Or is that a flag? What is that?
Oh, I see it too.
Oh, that's a waterfall. Never mind, never mind,
The
never mind.
waterfall.
Where's Jacob Pettit at? Is he above us?
Below us.
Oh. Pat, take out your walkie-talkie. Oh, he uses, well, never mind, he has his map out, never mind.
Yeah, I'm trying to look at the map.
I'm looking around to find some of the hidden tents, because there's like hidden stuff in the woods usually. Oh, that's the golf course right there. That's where the golf club is.
Dude, look over here. Boy, there's backhoes. I know.
Yeah, this is right where the golf club is. The golf club's like the fastest swinging weapon in the game, I think.
We gotta look at the map real quick and remember where it's at.
We're right next to it. It's like we're going in the right direction. Because me and my friends came from the beach island. We lived on the beach where it's at. This is where all the good stuff is usually. I'm gonna fly around over the top so to find where the golf club is. It's like
Helicopter landing.
Wait, what?
It's taking off.
Where? You just watched it take off? Wait.
It was down by the camp. I found the golf club.
I'm trying to stay on this guy.
Oh, there's also a pistol rail. Pistol rail so you can put the flashlight on it. Winter jacket.
So I took off
You
from
can-
this.
To the pistol. Put
So-
it on the pistol.
I took off
Oh,
from
I
this
got the
camp.
pistol. Yeah, this camp.
Yes.
Oh man, maybe it's supposed to be like a teaser. Oh, there's so much moolah.
So if you put the pistol rail on, you can then add the...
The flashlight to your
Where's the
pistol.
rail?
Should be in there, laying on the ground
What?
behind you.
Where's the golf club?
Over out here. It's out here. And this guy right here. This guy's chest cavity. Nathan.
Oh,
Over here, in
I
this
never
guy's-
found it here.
In this guy's chest cavity.
That's his head. Oh no, this is a different golf club. There's also the big thick one.
Oh wow, I didn't know that. Okay, well, we gotta remember this point, guys. Cause I'm gonna go grab the machete. Someone left their paraglider out.
Me, where is
I
it?
didn't.
Where's it at?
Behind you. Behind you. Right here.
Yeah, I completely forgot it. Hi, buddy. Bye, buddy. What's this over here? What is this? What the hell? They have golf balls! Oh my god, golf balls!
More golf clubs on the ground.
Where? Where do you see another golf
Oh
club
wow,
at?
you can't pick up the golf balls. What do you do with the golf balls is my question.
Play golf? Oh.
Let's shoot me a deer.
I'm gonna put the flashlight on my pistol now. Oh, it's on the top of the pistol? No, it's not. Okay. How do I turn on the flashlight?
I got hide from
It's not. Oh, it's really weak.
Yeah, it's not crazy good. Still, it's handy though. I like that.
Maybe at nighttime it's better.
Alright, well, we'll get into this, guys.
Hey, I'm gonna drink one of the soda pops I just picked up. 'Cause my guy's low. Sody pop.
Wait, you found soda?
Yeah, it was at the thing. The pops, the energy drink.
Oh, the energy drink. I thought it was just Max soda. I don't say soda, it's an energy drink.
I wonder if we could play golf. That'd be awesome. Dude, that's a terrible death. Get golf ball shoved through your head is a terrible death. What the hell? Yeah, the flashlight is somewhat good. Oh, it makes things creepier if you ask me.
Flashlight?
Yeah. Like, cause it only works on close objects. Imagine you're sitting there aiming at them and they just slowly start lighting up as they run towards you.